Good evening, everybody. So I thought I would cover the last video I did using Cordy, this software to see the keys. After some of you recommended I do this. So I finally did it after a year, and I have to say it's easier than I thought, but I guess I didn't have the right information back then to be able to do it the right way. So it's never too late, and it's always good to be patient and take one thing at a time. So at the last video I just covered some of my creative process and how I would use the 6th diminished scale in a tune, for example. So practical application in real life. So I said I started by talking about the minor. So if you see a minor 7 on a chart for a tune, you can play C major 6. C major 6 will give you a minor 7. If you play a C major 7, it will give you a minor 9. C major 6 will give you A minor 7. I think I said this correctly. So the same way G minor using a B flat will give you G minor. So in this case G minor 7, G minor 9. For F we'll use A flat. F minor will use an A flat, so we can use the A flat 6th diminished scale, adding the flat 6. So in a tune like How High the Moon, starts with G major, second bar goes to G minor. So instead of playing a B flat just like this chord, we can create movement. Okay, so for instead of playing a chord like this, G minor, I actually went contrary motion on a B flat scale, resolved to C7 using the tritone G flat 7, tritone of C. I could also use for a C7 any members of the family. So here is A. Here is G flat, here is A flat. Okay, but this is for another topic, but it's always good to remind about the basics of Barry Harris harmony. So we were on a G minor. So what if I wanted to start from the 2nd degree of the B flat scale, doing chords this time? Here is the diminished, the 6, diminished, 6, diminished, 6 to C7. So you can do the same with A flat, starting from the 2nd degree chords. Okay, so we are creating movement instead of just playing a chord like this or like this. We're actually creating a movement and adding to the melody, to the original song, creating something new and fresh. And this is the whole point of the 6th diminished scale, in my opinion. So there are a lot of movements you can come up with, and it doesn't matter if you're a novice or an advanced player or whatever, you know. You will always come up with something different. So it makes life easier because it opens up harmony. Instead of trying to be original, you just take the scale and you play around with it. And you will always come up with something special. And I think this is amazing, and the sound is amazing because it's new. So here is another movement on the B flat for a G minor. And here it is with the flat 6. So here it is without the flat 6, basic major chord, basic major scale. Here it is with the flat 6, the 6 diminished. So you see it has more body, it's richer, it's fuller. So if I wanted to do it on A flat, the same movement. No. Yes. Okay. So now starting the song from the beginning. Okay. So this was a demonstration of how you can use the 6 diminished scale, creating movement, not just harmonizing the melody with the 6 diminished scale, but also creating a new melody and changing the original melody. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover something else regarding Barry Harris harmony. Thank you very much, and see you next time.